So we'll just have neutral grey. Now, if he's going to sit on his mat properly, we need another bit of him behind to support, because there's two thicknesses here. So if we want him to stay properly, we need two thicknesses behind him. So we need to cut two more gnomes and cut off the bit that's on the mat and stick the rest behind. So where's my gnome? I think I'll stick him onto this first. How am I going to do this? Yeah, okay. Stick him onto this first, and then I'll stick that onto the back. Oh, I know what I'm doing, says she, hopefully. Right, let's stick this onto the mat. Okay. He's on the mat. Now, if I put that behind there like so, and draw a line down past there, I can cut that back bit off. Okie dokie. So if I cut that off, this should fit behind. Make sure I'm cutting the right one. I have stuck the other one down. So that should now fit neatly just in there, just a bit more. Haven't cut quite enough off. Okay. Yeah, that fits now. Just cut that little sliver off. You don't need that little bit there. Right, glue this. He fits now, that's great. Now, let's see if I can get a little dot into that eye. It does look white now, fortunately. Let's get a very small marker. I think we'll just do with a bit of grey with this one. Oh, that's the blender. This is the grey. Okay, let's try and stick this on the card. How should you greet a gnome doing yoga? Just wondering about a little grounding. I think this might do. Put it onto a block. Not very clean. I think it needs to have a wash, but I'll just pop it on with a little bit of glue. And I think we'll try hickory smoke. I'm just going to try it on a piece of scrap first, just to see what I think. Would it be better the other way up? Perhaps it would. Actually, I quite like it that way up. I'll do it that way up. Right, that'll be fine. There's our grounding. Here is our gnome. put the water bottle on just behind him, I think. There we go. So there we go. Here's our gnome for day 3, December the 3rd. He's a cutie. Hope he remembers to drink his water. I haven't got any grounding for that, actually. Let's just put a few little things there. Okay. So thanks for joining me. And I wonder what we're going to find in envelope number 4. Join me tomorrow and we'll find out.